Have a blessed day to each one of you, brethren. Our group will report about the Bible verse in Philippians chapter 2, verse 9 to 11, Christ's exaltation, and is described as follows. Verse 9, Wherefore God also had highly exalted him, and given him a name which is above every name. 10, that at the name of Jesus every knee should bow, of things in heaven, and things in earth, and things under the earth. 11, and that every tongue should confess that Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. In Philippians chapter 2, verse 9 to 11, the exaltation of Christ refers to the glorification and elevation of Jesus Christ to the highest position of authority and honor by God the Father. This passage highlights the humility or yung pong pagpapakababa ng ating